Hello, Glenn here with Euroshield. So the crew with Roofing Insights put together this pretty cool video which featured our Euroshield products in it. So one of the cool things about the Roofing Insights crew is they do give non-biased reviews. I have cut up the video in a somewhat biased way for our Euroshield, but the Roofing Insights crew does give their feedback directly about our products. So without further ado, let's check out the video.
What's going on, everybody? Brent Simmons here with Roofing Insights. Every year on this YouTube channel, we do a shingle comparison guide. And you're probably wondering why I have a hammer. After we talk about these, I want to do a durability test on all these. So we're going to see how these synthetic slates, how these asphalt slate products stand up to the real deal. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to cover are the asphalt style shingle samples I have here. Right here, this is an Atlas Stormmaster slate, and this is a CertainTeed Grand Manor. Let's start with this one right here. For the longest time, this has been regarded as the heaviest, well, it has been the heaviest, most expensive asphalt laminated shingle on the market. So this is an Atlas Stormmaster slate. Slightly different look to it, but I don't think either one of these quite do the job of emulating real slate like these synthetics do. So this is one, and I believe this company's actually been around for a while, but this is called Euroshield. This is made out of recycled rubber. It's much thicker than any type of asphalt shingle, and they've tried to emulate the rough edge that you can get out of slate. Now this sample in particular has a much rougher edge. You can get all sorts of different patterns and molds that they use to make this. A pretty neat product. We're gonna test and see how this does against our killer hammer here in a minute. This is called Inspire by Boral. And I was a little bit worried about, maybe the color fading over time. Their warranty talks about this, and they seem to stand by it. But this is a really cool product. Here's real slate. So now let's do what everybody's been wanting me to do this whole video. Let's try to tear these up. Let's do a couple little tests. I want to drop them and then want to hit them with a hammer and test their impact resistance. So this is the moment you've all been waiting for. I know I promised you I was going to beat the crap out of this with a hammer, but I want to do more of we'll call this an unscientific redneck impact test. So I've got this trailer hitch right here with a ball on it, and I just want to see how these hold up against something heavy hitting it, all right? To make this semi-scientific, I'm gonna make a 90-degree bend with my elbow. I'm just gonna drop it from this height every time. So let's start with the Stormmaster slate. Let's see how it does. All right. So this left a really nice dent in the shingle. You can see it didn't go all the way through, but it did leave a pretty good dent there. Let's see how Grand Manor does. I'm gonna try to get it on the triple laminate part. Here we go. Oh yeah. So this left a pretty big dent. I mean, I can stick my whole thumbnail in that. Probably went through this laminated section.
So I'm going to show you here the close-up. You can see that there was a hit right here. There was the granules or lost in the area. It's a little bit more difficult to see because the background, the mat of the shingles is black as the shingles. But here, once the granules are lost, there's no protection from the UV rays, so the shingles, the roofing system is going to start to fail very quickly. It could be leaks, could be moisture with rotted wood. It can cause many different problems.
Let's see how the Boral Inspire will stand up. These are the ones I am a little worried about shattering. We'll see. Okay, it left a little mark, but it did not go all the way through. Now this is Euroshield. I'm gonna try to go down towards the bottom of the tile again. Holy crap.
What? Hold up, wait a minute. Wow.
So it literally bounces off. This is truly an impact resistant shingle. You can barely see. I don't know if that even shows up on camera. There's a tiny little line there, and it almost feels like it's bouncing back up. So their claim of being impact resistant, I would say, is 100% true. Now let's see what the real Slate does. I've got my glasses on, so I think I'm good. Let's check it out. All right. There it is. So this completely broke.
Okay, so there you have it. That's the test done by the Roofing Insights crew. We definitely appreciate them including our products in their review. And it was worth mentioning that they were reviewing the durability of the products versus Slate. We all know that Slate lasts hundreds of years and is a great roofing product. But we also want people to know that there's also other great products out there that are extremely durable, and that would be Euroshield. Thanks for watching.